Did you know nearly 90% of homebuyers get an inspection before closing? Skipping this step can cost you thousands. Here's what you need to look for. First up, structure. Check for cracks in the walls, uneven floors, or doors that won't close. That could mean foundation issues, and trust me, you don't want those surprises. Next, the roof. Are there missing shingles or signs of leaks? A problem up top means water where it shouldn't be. Plumbing matters more than you think. Look for water stains, low water pressure, and slow drains. Don't forget electrical. Test every light switch and outlet. Outdated wiring isn't just inconvenient, it's a fire hazard. Heating and cooling? Turn them on, listen for strange noises, and check their age. Finally, peek in the attic and basement. Look for insulation, damp spots, or signs of pests. These hidden spaces tell the real story. Bottom line, a good inspection protects your investment and your peace of mind. So bring a checklist, ask questions, and don't rush. Your perfect home is out there. Just make sure it's as solid as it looks.